Hi, I'm Stacy Brown, Vice President of Operations and Training at the Center. Today, I want to talk about one of the most critical decisions in conflict management, knowing when to de-escalate a situation and when to disengage. Whether you're in healthcare, corporate security, customer service, or really any public-facing role, you've likely encountered someone who's upset, aggressive, or unpredictable. The question is, can I de-escalate this person, or do I need to use my situational awareness to disengage, to protect myself and to protect others? At the Center, we teach this decision-making framework using our Calm, Connect, and Capitalize model. It's designed to give professionals a structured approach to assessing and managing potential threats. So first, you calm. Focus on your tone, your posture, your breathing. You regulate yourself and use calm body language to reduce tension. Then you connect. You listen with intention through utilizing active listening techniques. You show empathy and you attempt to build rapport throughout the entire conversation. That brings us to the third part, capitalize. This is where you move to resolve this situation. And here's the key. If in most situations, allowing others to feel heard and understood is the solution, then that's the solve. So you resolve the issue, redirect the energy, or you disengage. And here's the truth about this. Disengagement is not failure. It's a proactive, empowered choice based on risk. In our de-escalation training, we emphasize this. If the individual becomes physically aggressive, makes threats, maybe ignores redirection, or starts invading personal space, you have permission to exit, get help, or activate a higher level response. We train professionals just like you to be proactive, use that situational awareness to always have an exit strategy should you spot any of the signs that things are continuing to escalate. Whether it be clenched fist, hostile tone, pacing, or fixated stares. These are not just red flags. They're signals to reassess your safety in real time. In our live trainings, we run real-world role plays. Participants experience the difference between managing a situation verbally and recognizing when disengagement is the safest option. That's where confidence comes from. Not just theory, but practice, repetition, and scenario-based stress inoculation. So how do you know when to de-escalate or disengage? You use situational awareness to make the best decision possible rooted in safety, not emotion. And that's what we teach here at the Center. Our programs are built to empower your team, to act with calmness, connect, allowing others to feel heard and understood, and to capitalize on the safest course of action. If you want to see this in action, contact us today by going to our website, cpps.com. De-escalation and disengagement. Know the difference. Train for both. Thanks for watching and stay centered.